Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can show and hide your battery percentage. Here you can see I have shown my battery percentage and it's now 90 percentage. Okay, how you can show or how you can hide this battery percentage, the number on your status bar, right? So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So here you can see setting, just tap on setting. When you click on setting, from here you have to scroll on to down. You just keep scrolling and here you can see the power marathon option. So friends, here you have to click on power marathon. When you click on power marathon, from here you have to scroll on the down. Then after that, here you can see the battery setting option. So friends, just click on battery setting. When you click on battery setting, here you can see battery percentage, show battery percentage on status bar. So I have shown my battery percentage on status bar, and if you want to hide your battery percentage on status bar, then just click on this icon. Here your battery percentage will be hide. Okay, see, it has been hide. The 90% has been removed successfully. Okay, and if you want to show, then again you just click on this icon and it will be show. Okay, so this is how you can show and hide your battery percentage. And friends, if you want to check your battery usage, then you can check from here your battery usage. Okay, I have used it 36 minutes ago, my battery. And if you have used like 1 or 2 hour, you can find here. Okay, I have used only 0%, and if you have used 50%, then it will show here. Okay, so you can check from here your battery usage. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.